RK Sarovar Portico is among the only two big brands of hotels in Srinagar, the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir state in northern India. Over the past 3 years since its opening, the hotel has managed to promote itself and attract a growing clientele of tourists, especially from the corporate sector.
2015 was post-flood situation. We did near about 67% occupancy compared to last year we did 78%. That kind of volume is this part, and I'm expecting the volume to go rise and rise and rise, because if I compare with Kashmir, with my nearby states Shimla and Himachal, we are not even on 12% of there, where this part has a huge tourism destination.
During the peak of terrorism and insurgency, tourism to Jammu and Kashmir had come to a halt. Now, even though there has been a dramatic reduction in violence and return of peace to large parts of the state for over a decade, the image of the state as a safe destination remains a challenge. Ishaq, however, dispels fears about the safety and assures that Kashmir is very safe for tourists.
The biggest myth of Kashmir is not safe. I don't agree. I'm being Bengali, come from Calcutta. I'm here for more than 3 years and feel really safe, and till date I haven't seen a single guest of mine coming and complaining about what pity things happen in different part of the country. I haven't seen anybody complaining for such things which make us think twice. It's really safe, and you feel really blessed and relaxed when you come here.
As tourism, mainly domestic and partially international, begins to pick up, hotels like Sarovar are looking to expand to other touristic locations such as Gulmarg, a skier's heaven, barely 50 km to the west of Srinagar.
As part of expansion, we are planning to come in Sonmarg, which is, as I said, a huge demand of rooms, and quality rooms are there, which we are working. We are talking to the government, expecting going to get a go-ahead from the government in this year. And simultaneously, we're looking for Pahalgaon and Gulmarg, because these three places are really in demand. Once we established as a chain, then we will go for some new places. For example, in Gulmarg, some time back, people used to go in the morning and come back in the evening. But now, being there's a good accommodation there, people want to spend a night over there. When you staying in a place where you are in a temperature of 24 degree and outside is a minus 10, 15, 20 and full of snow, is altogether different experience to live.
With very limited investments in setting of new hotels in Kashmir, Sarovar says it enjoys a unique position in the mid-segment hotels, a strength that the hotel is keen to exploit. As tourism to Jammu and Kashmir expands to newer destinations within the state, Ishaq says Jammu and Kashmir will always have a lot to offer to a visitor, not just in virgin sites, but also a delectable cuisine.